morning. The wedding days have started, and today is the first function. Videos for Hassan. Amlu, eyes are puffy because they just woke up, took a shower, and we have left. Reaching the location in another 10 minutes. Let's get my sister married, you guys. Puja per Kam Duja, she is ready, guys. I'm giving you an outfit check. There was a lot of chaos that happened. I will get back to you after the event and tell you there's too much that happened. And look at the mess that I've created after doing my makeup. I couldn't even show you that. I'm really mad at people right now, but okay, look at my outfit. The outfit from scratch I think is already up on my channel, is coming. So yeah, I'll tell you everything else later. Love you. This is how my makeup looks, and I did my hair a little bit. After this function, she has to go drink water in someone else's house. So this is how she looks right now. She's not a dulhan at all, you guys. Just by her face and the looks, she looks like one, but she's one rowdy inside. Rowdy baby. We are in our aunt's house.
You have to sit for 10 minutes. Sit the same.
Guys, we are going back in 10 minutes. Some different Riti Rivas we have in Marwadis. Remind me to vlog all the time. See, I'll show you now what's happening. So she's Tikshita Bhabhi. This is my brother, who's her husband. So yeah, I'll show you what is going on right now. It's called Batisi. So basically, we are going to welcome Sejal, that's my sister's family, from my mom's side's family. That's my sister's mom's family. Will welcome her for the wedding. That's what is happening here, you guys. Give them content. Event we are going to have like this, guys. So right now they both are eating, and now they're doing manwari, basically like you have to give them sweets and stuff, and these are the boys side, these are the girls side, whatever, and we are having food, and this is what is happening. See, just say hi.
सामने जो है पूछ एक बार मनवार कर थोड़ी
Teaching her a little bit of things, guys. Jao, manwar karo. Now I've come down. Now I would want to tell you, I have come down to take a nap. I want to tell you what happened in the morning. And I really want you guys to understand to never do this to anybody ever again. As a makeup artist myself, I was doing my makeup. I was doing the makeup for the bride. And so she has three sisters. There are three sisters. And so we booked another makeup artist for the two sisters and her mother. And the makeup artist sent a hairstylist at around 7:30. The event was at 11. And we kept checking with her yesterday that please come at this time, that, and she kept telling, yeah, sure, I'll be there, that, this. And then we called her at 7. She's like, I'm sitting here only, I'm waiting for you guys. I'm here only, and we didn't find her. Then we called her at 8:30. I'm in auto. Her hairstylist has come. Please do makeup from my hairstylist, is what she said. Then we were like, maybe probably she's coming on the way. So she sent someone. So she will be doing for one person. The other lady started doing makeup for my aunt, and then I realized this. So she made my aunt one shade lighter than herself. this entire part of my aunt was so badly orange yet, and nobody was there to help because I was doing bride's makeup. And in the end moment, even I have to get ready, even I am her sister. And the sad part is that she kept telling till 9:30 she's coming, and she did not turn up. And all she has, the audacity of that woman, she blocked us. You know what happened? The sad part is that you give commitment. It's someone's special day. Don't do that to them. They are relying on you. And if you can't make it even on the last day, just let us know. Don't keep us waiting and hanging even till the last minute. Till 9:30 she kept telling me she's coming, and when I called and spoke to her later, she's telling me 10:30 I was there. And we were already on stage at 10:30. What's the point of her? Like, I'm just so annoyed and angry at people's commitment issues. Then when we call her, they did not confirm me. Someone else confirmed me 2 months ago. They confirmed me 1 month ago. So I went to 2 months ago, and I'm like, okay, if someone else confirmed, you can always tell us that I am booked, I cannot come. We would have looked for someone else, or we could have made other arrangements. Now she was going to do the bride's makeup for Varmala. That is one of the functions called Barat, which is one of the most important main functions. Now in the last minute, how do I go and find this a person to do makeup for her? Thankfully I'm a makeup artist. What if I was not? Then so I ended up doing makeup for the rest of the people, and I had to get ready as well. Then I was late for half an hour. So it's absurd. Like, if you give commitment, be there for it. And I'm just so angry. And if you can't make it even till the last minute, just like one day before, let us know so that somehow we can make arrangements. Like, just don't be greedy for money. And if money is such a priority, then get a good team who does good makeup. And I don't know, just let us know that someone else will be doing the makeup, I'm taking the booking. A lot of people do that. And my sister had tears. Being a bride, she had tears because her parents were not looking good. So yeah, my rant is all about the fact that I just want people to be responsible. It's not professional at all. Anyways, it's her wedding, so we still had fun. Rather than being happy, we didn't have any other choice. So we were trying to be there for her. And once Jiju came, her fiance, she was a little better. She was happy, and it got better though. But still, chal, I love you guys. No puchis because I'm not in the mood for one. Bye bye.